I'm going to talk you through the Map tab, which is the second tab in the bottom left available here for you to click. And when you click on it, in this instance, it's at Magic Kingdom Park. Now, this tab is really useful for a variety of reasons, and you can continue to use it during the day, whichever park you're visiting or Disney Springs, so that you can get all the specific information you need. Now, within this Map tab, at the top, you can see you have a filter option, you have a show list option, and in the middle, which is particularly useful, you have a drop-down category list option, where you can select all the specifics that you could need during your visit to the parks. Now, this is at Magic Kingdom Park, because if I click on Filter in the top left, it shows that that's the location I've selected. Now, I will select one of the other locations just to give you an example later in the video, but for now, we will focus on Magic Kingdom Park. So it's currently on the wait times, so I need to zoom in a little, and I'm going to select the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, and you can see that currently there's a 75-minute standby wait time already. So that's going to be a popular ride. Now, if I look for another wait time for one of the other attractions, I can see Astro Orbiter has a 5-minute standby wait time right now. And if I was in the park, I could select Get Directions, and that would take me directly there. Other than wait times, I may want to see what attractions are available altogether. So I can select attractions, zoom in, and I can see all of the available attractions, and I can select them. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, and if I select them further, I can find out all the information I could possibly need about it. Forecasted wait times, find it on the map, get directions, what height the guests must be to ride it, the type of ride it is, etc. Furthermore, to wait times and attractions, you can see some other popular drop-down menu items you might wish to select are things like dining. What dining is available in Magic Kingdom Park. By selecting dining options, you can zoom in and you can find there's a 10-minute wait time currently. It will be based on your party size, but for Crystal Palace right now. Or I might decide to look at something like a mobile order, and I can begin my order right here from this map tab for places like Casey's Corner, and I can begin the order for me and my party, should I wish to do so. So that's some of the options you have. I can also view the dining rather than it being in map mode. I can select show list, and I can go through each of these here as part of the list. If you prefer that. Hide list, it takes me back to the map mode. Again, another really useful feature for you. So this is Magic Kingdom Park. I'm going to give you another example. If I've finished in the parks and I plan on visiting Disney Springs, I'm going to go ahead and select Disney Springs and apply. Now, the drop-down category list is currently on dining. So within Disney Springs, I can see some of the dining options. I can continue using the map, or I can show list, and that will show me what's available within Disney Springs. If I hide the list, again, you can see by zooming in, I can find out where everything is. And if I had just arrived at Disney Springs, by selecting one of them, I can select Get Directions, so it will direct me to where I need to be. There's other options which are really useful, particularly if you're new to the parks or new to Disney Springs. You might need the restroom pretty quickly, so you can select those, and it will show you where all of the restrooms are located throughout Disney Springs in this instance, or throughout any of the parks. Again, if you select them, you can click on them and get directions directly to them so that you can quickly find them. There's all of these other options here within. You have wait times, attractions, characters, photo pass opportunities, guest services, if that's something that you need while you're at any of the parks or anywhere on Disney property. You can search for these as well, which again are really, really useful and will be dependent on you and your party's needs. So within this map tab, it's really, really useful. Again, it's live updates, it's important information. and you can personalize it for yourselves. So it will make your visit personable to you and whatever it is you need to make it a smooth visit and an enjoyable one. Again, if I go to filter, I could select, instead of Disney Springs, deselect that. I could select Epcot, apply, and it will guide me directly to Epcot. And I have all of these available once again, from wait times to attractions, all of those things that you may need, where the restrooms are. So it's a really, really useful tab. And again, it's the second option in the bottom left of the screen that you can see here to access that for all of your needs. And that's the map tab in a nutshell.